One of the scariest things in the world is opening up a letter out of your mailbox from a law office telling you that you're being sued by a debt collector. I know this to be true because it happened to the younger version of me a few times. Now, even scarier and more frustrating than that is trying to figure out exactly what to do next. Because let's face it, most of us ain't got no attorney on retainer. And even if we do know how to contact an attorney, we're afraid to because we know that they're going to charge anywhere from $400 to $600 an hour just to fight a case. There have been very few reputable and inexpensive solutions for this problem. Till now. Want to know what it is? Don't worry. As usual, I got you. Come on. So I recently partnered up with a company that will not only help you respond to debt collection letters and help you validate your accounts, but that will help you respond to being sued by debt collectors as well. Now, the important thing about using a company like this is that you have to act fast because you only have 30 days to respond to any debt collection letter, including a lawsuit that you get in the mail. Now, I get countless emails, text messages, direct messages, and voice messages from people just like you every single day, frustrated because they don't know what to do when they're being sued or receive a collection letter in the mail. Now, usually the only help that I can provide is to send you a link to the NACA website where you can try to find an attorney in your area that's going to help you with this kind of issue. Because let's face it, I'm not an attorney, and once you get to this position, I can't help you. So what I want you to do is click the link in my bio, and if you need help responding to a collection letter or you're being sued by a debt collector, you need to select that option. You guys have no idea how happy that I am that I'm able to finally help you with a solution to this problem. Follow for more tips and tricks that'll help you increase your credit score.